Welcome to Pydle Day 115. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a cute little snake, so have a look at how to solve that. If you're new to Pydle or you just want some hints how to solve Pydles, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was the Blinky Ghost from the Pac-Man game. Okay. So yeah, we're going to start with our two loops. Let's focus on the white pixels first. So if you eliminate the whites and then the blues, then we can just color in the rest as red. Okay, so what would be the if condition for the white pixels? So if you say if, so we need y equals 0, and so normally if something is kind of symmetrical, we use Cartesian coordinates, which work quite well, but let's just convert this into Cartesian coordinates. So let's do absolute value of x minus 2 equals 2. Okay, so let's do that quickly. Okay, so we got the top two pixels as we wanted to. We just used that that symmetry property by using the absolute value of x minus 2, which is kind of centered around the y-axis. Okay, now we need an and, oh sorry, an or. That's where y equals 4, and the remainder of x divided by 2, because you can see it's the odd pixels, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we don't need to say equals 1 because the value 1 is true in Python, so that should test for true as well. Okay, so there the outline of the ghost is starting to form. Okay, oops, I didn't want to do that. Next, the blue elif. Okay, and now we say y equals 1. And we could have used the remainder, but that would have also colored in the first pixel, and we only want that too. So kind of a lazy approach if you just say if and x in, and then create a tuple of the two x values. That should test for true, and that's 2 and 4. Let me know if in the comments if you thought of something more clever. Okay, and that's a blue. And we've got the eyes. All that remains is to color the rest of the pixels red. Okay, and that solves our Pydle. If you want to have a go at yourself, then you can play any of the previous Pydles. There's already been 115. So just press the back button and then you can play any of these Pydles if you haven't played them before. Or you can use the playground, and there you can write any kind of Python code you want. Okay, but have a go at solving the snake, and I'll see you again tomorrow with the solution.